What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the SUI price chart because we have an update on the price target of $6.32 until the 11th of October. Also, I want to show you some price levels that I'm currently looking at. So I would say let's get straight into this. So first of all, you remember the move that we have made right here, the correction and then also the breakout that has activated our price target right here. As you can see, this looks like a false breakout from the current perspective. And I also mentioned it when we have activated the price target. This one is just very tiny. So we just closed a little bit above the breakout level. Then we were not even able to stay above the breakout level for one day, and we quickly got rejected right here with a massive red candle. And since then we are in a correction. So right now let's have a look right here, because you know these price targets always have an invalidation. To be exact, two invalidation levels. The first one is price-wise, the second one is time-wise, and I want to show both of them to you in this video. So first of all, we have the price invalidation. This is this red line right here. This is at $3.30. Pretty exactly, this is the level that we also hit right here in the first move of the correction. Then we bounced off of this, and this is the invalidation level because this is the 50% level of this whole move right here. And just from the balance of probability, if we are moving below this and if we are having a daily candle close below this level, it just becomes very unlikely that we are reaching the price target right here. And it's very important to say that that doesn't mean that we will never go to this price. That just means that it's very unlikely that we will go to this price until the 11th of October. So until the time window is expiring right here. And this also brings me to the second invalidation level. This is the time invalidation. And this is this one right here, the 3rd of September. And what we want to see is that the price is getting back above the breakout level and get back in the rectangle until the second half of the rectangle is starting. And in case either we should fall below the price invalidation and have a daily candle close below this, or if we should not be back in the rectangle until the second half starts, then this price target becomes invalidated. And that means that we have a 90 to 10% chance that we are not hitting the price target within the mentioned time window. So a 90% chance that we will not hit this price target. And because I know that a lot of people will misunderstand this, let me say this again. That doesn't mean we will never go there. That just means that we will not go there, or 90% chance that we will not go there until the 11th of October. So I said it in a lot of other videos that I'm still very confident that we are in the middle of the bull run, and therefore also I'm very confident that we will reach these price levels, just not in this time that I have mentioned. And right now, as we have this one clear, let's have a look right here at the current price situation and also the current levels that I'm looking at. So you can see that we made a bounce from yesterday's level, and it seems like that this support slash resistance level right here is not that valid anymore. It seems like that it is this one. So first of all, let me quickly show you why it was this one before. Before it was this one, we have touched it right here. We have touched it right here, got rejected. You can see here we have also touched it. With this one, we have also touched it. But right now we have just cut through it. And here also we have cut through it. And it seems like that right now we are looking at the levels that we have touched right here, and right now also right here. So this one right now looks like a clean retest of this resistance level, and right now we are moving lower. We came very close to make a new low today, and therefore this means that the likelihood is increasingly high that we are continuing to move to the downside. And in case we should move here to this level, we have a strong support. So potentially we will bounce off of this support like we did last time. But in case this should not happen, you know, this is also not just the support level from the last time, but this is also the invalidation level. That would mean that our price target right here would get invalidated. So let's have a quick look right here. So we are currently in this downward move, had this nice retest, and right now it seems like we are making a new low, not confirmed yet, but in case we do, let's also quickly have a look into the bullish perspective. So as I said, we could potentially bounce off here, but if we are getting back in the rectangle till here, unlikely from the current point of view. So therefore I think we have a high likelihood that this price target right here will be invalidated. I would say a 70% likelihood. And in case one of the two scenarios that I have just explained from the time perspective and price perspective, then this likelihood increases to 90%. But let's just say we are invalidating the price target, moving to the next support level right here, potentially also with this trend line. And then what we are looking at is that we are having a break of structure, and that means that we want to see a daily candle close above the recent high. Now I have drawn so much in the chart that I can not see it myself. So that means that then we would want to go back above this level right here, this this breakout level right here. Let me mark this in a different way. That would mean that we want to see a daily candle close above this level. In case we should not make a new low today or tomorrow or in the next days, and we are moving higher from here, then in this case we want to see a move back above this level right here. Then we have the break of structure, and then very likely the bulls are back in control. Currently the bears are in control, and therefore it seems likely that we are doing at least a retest of the latest low right here, eventually even going lower to the next support level that we have right here. That is also strong, and also we have the support from the trend line. And you know, if any of this is happening or if we have any changes, I will upload a new video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, as I said it in the beginning, I want to point it out again that I'm not thinking that the bull market is over, or that because the bears are in control that it's over now. No, I see this in a positive way, because I think that we are still in the middle of the bull market, and therefore I think that we will be presented with a very good buying opportunity right here for the mid to long term. So this is what I will use this correction for. And in case you have any questions, or in case you have any other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.